You're not a counselor. You're the supervisor. You're hired to take control, not be controlled.
Okay, I've done all I can. But for now, we just continue doing what we do best. Okay?
Like, it's us who are doing all the groundwork. You all don't understand how inefficient these manual processes are. We are working every day overtime.
Am I not working overtime too? Am I not here every single night to make sure you all are okay? If you're so unhappy, you can go straight to Mr. Wee.
We're just helping you. Don't make it sound like we're lazy.
Ma, why are you sleeping here again?
Why haven't you gone to school?
Ma.
Are you late already?
No, Ma, it's already 11 p.m. at night. And I'm working already, remember? I'll bring you to your room.
If you don't take care of yourself, how are you going to take care of your family? Do you understand? Okay, see, one needs record to be maintained, understand? If any accident happens, I hold you personally responsible.
Okay guys, sorry to do this, but we need to chop. The delivery truck will be coming in half an hour, so please double up. We need to get it done by then. Thank you. Okay guys, thank you guys so much. See you guys tomorrow.
You ate the bread?
Yeah, it was really good.
This is a safety issue. Do you know how serious this is?
I do already.
What kind of attitude is this? It was very clear that you skipped all the proper procedures.
If we don't do that, we don't have to go home.
What happened?
I'll talk to you later.
I want to know what happened.
I said I'll talk to you later.
Mr. Wee, he is under my care, so I think it's better...
Precisely! He is under your care. How can you allow this to happen?
Mr. Wee, they've been working really hard, they're getting very tired.
Who is not tired here?
Then, even more reason for us to do something about it. Shouldn't we? I've raised it up so many times. Some of the procedures are just too prone to human error, and because of the constant checking and troubleshooting, time is wasted. Lots of time is wasted. And yes, it will be an investment for the company to automate certain processes, but in the long run, the increase in productivity, the ability to manage your factory in the region remotely, it will benefit the company, wouldn't it? Yes, I know you say I'm merely just a supervisor, and I don't have the knowledge to answer you that question. But I'm speaking on behalf of my team. They have families to go home to spend precious time with, just like everybody else, including you. So please, just give it a thought. Yes, I can see all the status on my side, so don't worry. All your equipment on your side in Australia are good to go for the next 6 months before undergoing maintenance. Okay, thank you. Alright, take care. Bye-bye. Hey, bye guys. Go home early, okay? Santi chai?
Yeah.
Time to wrap up.
Okay na. Bye.
Bye. Okay, here comes the fish. Yeah? Okay, let's dig in.